Now see a capacitor and its principle. See how does capacitor work, or we can say how do we make capacitor. So actually we are going to discuss principle of parallel plate capacitor. Suppose you have taken a metallic plate like this. This is a metallic plate of area A which is placed on insulated stand, and this plate is charged to its maximum potential. That means the positive charges are given until its potential becomes maximum. Suppose this maximum potential is plus Q. Now we bring another uncharged metal plate here of the same area, and this is also conducting one. So when we bring this uncharged metal plate near to this charged metal plate, induction takes place. Because of induction, negative charges induces to this side. In conductor, charges are free to move, so the negative charges come to this side and positive charges are coming to this side. But see here, these negative charges tries to reduce the potential of the plate A, whereas these positive charges increases the potential of the plate A. So due to the presence of positive charges, potential of plate A, this one is plate A and this is the plate B, can increase. So what we do here, we just do grounding here. It is connected to the earth. When it is connected to the earth, electron flows from the ground and they come here and neutralizes all these positive. When these electron neutralizes the positive charges, so only we get here negative charges on this plate, and these negative charges actually reduces the effect of the potential of the plate A. Now we can give more charge to the plate A, and by this way capacity of the plate A increases. So also we can increase the capacity by putting some material between this, like some dielectric materials, and then its capacity can be increases. So by this principle we can make the capacitor of larger capacity. So this is we have discussed a parallel plate capacitor. Its symbol is taken like this. If this type of the symbol is taken, it means capacitor does not change, and this is here the symbol. And if we take like this symbol, it means this is capacitor of the variable value. And in place of the parallel plates, if you are taking here the spherical one, then we concentric spheres, then we can take we can get a spherical capacitor, and also we can form here the cylindrical capacitor. But in your syllabus is only here their parallel plate capacitor. So now let us study here how do we calculate capacitance of parallel plate capacitor.